The significance of a new moon portal on January 11th, 1/11th, with the numerological theme of 111, can vary depending on personal beliefs, astrology, and spiritual practices. Here are 10 aspects that individuals might find noteworthy or consider as they approach this event. Numerological power. The repetition of the number 1 in the date, 111, and the associated numerology, 111, is often considered powerful, symbolizing new beginnings, manifestation, and alignment with higher spiritual energies. Amplified manifestation. The energy of the new moon is traditionally associated with new beginnings and setting intentions. Combined with the numerological power of 111, it is believed to amplify the manifestation potential of intentions set during this time. Personal transformation. The alignment of the new moon and the 111 portal is seen as an opportunity for personal transformation and a chance to leave behind doubts or negative energies. Astrological significance. Understanding the astrological characteristics of the new moon in Capricorn on January 11th can provide additional insights into the energies at play. Capricorn is associated with discipline, goal setting, and practicality. Alignment with cosmic cycles. Some individuals believe in the importance of aligning personal intentions with cosmic cycles, such as lunar phases, for a more harmonious and effective manifestation process. Spiritual awakening. The 111 portal is sometimes associated with spiritual awakening and heightened spiritual awareness. It may signify a time of increased intuition and connection to the higher self. Opportunity for clarity. The energy of the new moon is often linked with a sense of clarity and new perspectives. Use this time to gain insight into your goals and aspirations. Setting positive intentions. Take advantage of the auspicious energy to set positive and specific intentions for the future. Focus on what you want to manifest in your life. Numerology in daily life. Some people find significance in the repeated appearance of the number 111 in their daily lives outside of this specific portal date. It might be seen as a sign of alignment with the universe. Personal rituals and practices. Individuals often incorporate personal rituals or practices during this time, such as meditation, visualization, or journaling, to enhance the experience of the portal and solidify their intentions. Combining these elements, the notion of a 111th portal suggests a heightened energetic alignment on January 11th, 2024, which could be conducive to setting powerful intentions, manifesting positive changes, and experiencing a sense of spiritual or personal renewal.